Good afternoon. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my cabin here this evening. I'm getting ready for supper. If you haven't seen the videos leading up to this one, I caught a salmon today. 5-pound salmon, 24 inches long. I've got him cleaned and prepared. This video is about how to process a salmon for eating. So if you don't want to watch the cleaning process of a salmon, then this would be a good time for you to skedaddle. I know not everybody wants to be a part of that, but my lifestyle, this is a big part of it. I'm not sure that I'm not even sure if YouTube likes this kind of stuff, but in order to be a teaching channel, which I feel that this one is a teaching channel for this kind of lifestyle, if you would like to come out and thrive in the woods or starve in the woods, this is part of it. Learning how to deal with your catch after you've got him in the boat and after you've got him back to the cabin. Whether you're in a tent or a lean-to or just on a hiking trail somewhere, you're going to have to deal with your catch. So I believe that this is one of those skills that needs to be passed on. So here we are, passing on another skill here at the East Grand Woodsman channel. Well, if you're going to come up here and want to learn to live off the land and live off what you catch, you've got to start practicing catch and release. Catch and release doesn't put food on the table here at the Rustic log cabin. So once you get a fish like this, you need to know how to deal with him. And that's what we're going to do right here, right now. The first thing you want to do, flip your fish up here. Put your knife in here, not too deep. You don't want to get in there and open up the guts and all of that. So you open him up. Gonna go a little bit deeper. Yeah. Now there's nothing nice about this part, but it has to be done. So you get in here, cut all the way up here to the bottom of the gills. If you're traveling with a fish here in the state of Maine, don't cut the head off. What you want to do is get in here and cut the gills out. See how I just lopped off the end of that? Now the head is all free. Right here, it's not really a gill plate, but on big fish, it kind of looks like it's part of it. So what I like to do is right here, right behind that, is get behind that. Don't cut straight down because you're going to throw away a lot of meat. Get in here and cut off at an angle, and you'll see this fin will come right off. And also, it's actually how the gill plate closes against the side of the fish. It's really part of it. But you cut in at an angle all the way as far as you can go. Because if you don't go that way, see how I've gone up here? See all this meat right here? If you don't follow around, and cut off straight, you're going to throw away. You're going to throw away a good chunk of meat right there. So you don't want to do that. And then you can get in there and cut this out. And you can save all that. See that? Now that fin is disconnected. So now we're going to roll him over, and we're going to do the same thing over here on the other side. There. Gotta clean him up for YouTube. You know, when I was a kid, you just learned how to do this stuff because no one else was going to do it for you. Now they don't even want to be able to teach people how to do anything because someone might get offended. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of fish blood. Wanted to get in his belly. It doesn't look like he's got absolutely nothing in there. That was a starving fish. Got nothing in there. Alright. So now we got him opened up. We got his guts all out of him. You're going to see right here. See this right here? All the fish blood is up behind that. So get your knife in there. Get your knife in there and score that all the way back to there. All the way back to the end. And all that it is clotted up blood from the fish. You want to get rid of that. And what I will do is tomorrow, I'll put this back in the boat tonight. Tomorrow when I'm out in the lake, I'll dump that back in the lake. So now when you travel, you can pack ice in there. You can put them in the bottom of your cooler, put them in a trash bag, and you still got the head attached. So you got something to hang on to. You got something to hang on to, and you can show off your fish. But what I want to do tonight, I got to cut off a piece of this fish so that I got a really good supper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here in the backbone. I'm going to put my knife all the way through. I'm going to turn it down so it's facing the backbone. And then we're going to work it all the way up to the tail. See that? Slippery when wet. I don't think you want to eat the belly fat, so get rid of the belly fat. Belly fat's usually right in here. That beautiful? I'm gonna eat some of that. I might even take a little more of that, put on there, make a good meal. I'm gonna have some home fries with that. French fries, homemade French fries. Gonna have that salmon. I'm going to bake it and just plain enjoy my efforts for the day. This is all part of fishing as far as I'm concerned, fishing and hunting and gathering. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, or if you're a new subscriber here, this is what this channel is all about. Hunting, fishing, and primarily eating what you go out and hunt and fish for. That's the main course of 99% of my meals. This is how I eat. So for the next couple of days, I'm going to be eating salmon. This is what I caught today. Tomorrow I will go out and see if I can catch another one. So you guys have a great night, and I will see you in the next one.